Hello and welcome to my channel Plant Bio, in which I discuss some classes, some conceptual points, some important questions for your plus 2 board and NEET exam. Today I am going to discuss connective tissues. हिंदी में इसको संयोजी ऊतक कहते हैं. जो लोग हिंदी माध्यम के लोग हैं वो भी जान लें. और ये एनिमल टिश्यूज़ अभी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. So we are continuing with animal tissues. First type epithelial tissues we have already discussed in the previous class. Now it's time to discuss all about connective tissues. Connective tissues, as the name suggests, it is known for binding and linking two structures in our body. First, how can we define group of cells? Group of cells. What type of cells? Distantly placed cells. Distantly placed cells with large amount of matrix. Cells are distantly placed. In epithelial tissues, cells are closely placed. So, least or almost no intercellular space. So, least or almost no amount of intercellular substance or matrix. Here you can find distantly placed cells. दूर दूर फैली हुई कोशिकाओं का समूह. ये देखिए. And you can see the large gap intercellular space here and large amount of matrix also in these spaces. So cells are distantly placed, huge gap is there, means intercellular space, and large amount of matrix or intercellular substances are present. Now, what about its origin or development? During the course of embryonic development, three germ layers are formed in the embryo. The outer one is ectoderm, the middle one is mesoderm, and the inner one is endoderm. So it develops from mesoderm. So it is mesodermal in origin. Mesodermal in origin. So you should note down here embryonic mesodermal. From origin point of view, mesodermal, embryonic mesodermal. Now next point about the structural composition and function. Now we should talk about structural composition of connective tissues. Here we can find first point, cells. What types of cells are there? Different types of cells are there, different shape, different function. But main cells are there, fibroblasts. Fibroblasts are principal cells, main cells. And these secrete fibers and matrix. These secrete fibers and matrix. Okay. In all connective tissues, you can find this type of cells and fibers also. But in blood, in fluid connective tissues, fibers are not there. Plasma cells. Plasma cells are actually modified B lymphocytes, B cells, and these are known for producing antibodies. Antibodies are produced against antigens, foreign materials. Macrophages. Macrophages are large cells. They may be fixed, they may be motile in our body, and they are meant for phagocytic function, that means germ eaters. Phagocytic in function. means eat germs, germinating, phagocytic. And mast cells, another type of cells, secrete three types of substances. First one is heparin, that is anticoagulant. Then histamine vasodilator, that means dilates the diameter of blood vessels and thus causes fall in blood pressure. But here serotonin, serotonin is also secreted, and this serotonin acts as vasopressor or vasoconstrictor, means it constricts the diameter of blood vessel. Suppose this is blood vessel, the diameter is reduced, so blood pressure gets increased. So these are the main cells, these are the important cells found inside the connective tissues. Other cells are also present there, but that you have not to study. Now, next point is about matrix and different types. Now, what about the matrix of connective tissues? Matrix is sticky, that is jelly-like or viscous, and it is made up of glycoprotein and mucopolysaccharides.